have you ever watched those viral AI videos? Like AI baby podcasts or funny talking pets, and thought, how are they making these? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. And not just anyway. I'm talking about perfectly synced, natural-looking lip sync videos that actually feel real. We tested many lip sync AI tools, and honestly, most of them don't look great. The lips feel off, the timing feels weird, and the results just don't look natural. But then we found one tool that truly stands out. It delivers smooth, realistic, and expressive lip syncing every single time. Creating an AI avatar is easy. Anyone can do that. But making it talk naturally, with perfect lip movement and emotion, that's where most creators fail. And that's exactly what this tool fixes. In this video, I'll show you one of the best AI lip sync tools available right now. You can use it for actor-style performances, talking photo AI, full conversation scenes, pets, cartoons, and even drawings. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create professional quality AI talking videos. Let's get started. But first, take a quick look at these examples.
When your boss says, "We need a video by tomorrow," but you haven't even written the script, chill. Just grab some AI magic, drop in some text, and boom, instant talking head. Looks like I worked all night. Shh. Don't tell.
Welcome to your quick guide on boosting productivity. Tip 1. Always start your day with a clear plan. Tip 2. Take short breaks to recharge your focus. And Tip 3. Use tools like AI LipSync to create engaging educational videos fast and easy.
When your boss says, "We need a video by tomorrow," but you haven't even written the script, chill. Just grab some AI magic, drop in some text, and boom, instant talking head. Looks like I worked all night. Shh, don't tell.
We started with a mission to make video creation easier, smarter, and faster. With AI LipSync, brands of all sizes can now tell their story with professional, human-like video content, no film crew needed. This is the future of communication.
We started with a mission. Once upon a time, there were 3 Billy Goat brothers. Perfect lip sync, smooth motion, natural expressions. All of these videos were created using a tool called LipSync Go. You'll find the link in the description. Just click it and you'll land directly on the homepage. The homepage is clean, simple, and very beginner-friendly. Everything is well organized and easy to understand. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Log in using your Google account. Once you sign in, you instantly get 500 free daily credits. That's more than enough to create multiple videos every day. On the main dashboard, you'll see powerful features like AI lip sync, talking photo AI, baby podcast AI, cartoon lip sync AI, and pet lip sync AI. But today, we're focusing on AI lip sync. Click on it. The process is simple and takes just a few steps. First, upload your avatar video. It can be any character or clip you want. Don't have one? No problem. Scroll to the sample avatar section. You'll find high-quality avatars, including Halloween-themed ones. Choose any avatar that fits your video. Next, select a model. You'll see 2 options, LipSync 1.0 and LipSync 2.0. Both are good, but we'll use LipSync 2.0, the latest version. Now it's time to add the voice. You have 3 options. Type your text, upload an audio file, or record your voice directly. I'll type the text. Now choose a voice. There's a large voice library with many options. Pick the one that fits your style. You can also choose the mood of the video: neutral, happy, sad, angry. This helps match the expressions with the emotion. You can fine-tune the voice by adjusting speed, volume, and pitch. There's even an AI script generator. Just describe your topic and the AI writes the script for you. Want subtitles? Just turn them on. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Give it a moment and your video is ready. Now check this out.
When your boss says, "We need a video by tomorrow," but you have...
Greetings, mortals. I'm an AI avatar emerging from the digital realm. The lip sync is flawless. The timing is perfect. The movement looks completely natural. It honestly feels like the avatar is speaking for real. Let's try another example.
Tomorrow, but you haven't even written the script. Chill.
Tired of wasting time editing videos? Once again, perfect lip sync. Smooth motion, clean visuals, everything is aligned. The expressions, the timing, the voice. Now, let's test the talking photo feature. Click on Talking Photo. Upload a photo of your avatar. No photo? Use one of the sample avatars provided. Next, choose a model. Enter your text or upload audio or record your voice. Select a voice from the library. Choose a mood. Adjust speed, volume, and pitch. Enable subtitles if you want. Click Generate. And here's the result.
When your boss says, we need a video by tomorrow, but you haven't even written the script. Chill.
Photo comes to life. The lip sync is smooth. The motion looks incredibly realistic. This tool doesn't just animate faces, it brings characters to life. You can create AI baby podcast videos, cartoon storytelling videos, short animated films, talking pets, and hand-drawn characters that speak. We've shown you the full process step by step, and you've seen the results for yourself. This tool is truly next level. Try it out, explore all the features, and start creating without limits. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and comment below which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.